Let me guess, you want to go viral by creating your own sound for TikTok.
Oh, Alexis, I think you and I might need to purchase antibiotics. I believe we've just gone viral.
Fantastic, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two sounds together, how to rename that sound, and how to create a video for it. So by the end of this video, you'll have created something that looks like this.
I'm a vegan most of the time, 98% of the time. But today, I'm going wild.
Also, while we're on the topic of TikTok, we at VEED have our own TikTok channel full of hacks, tips, and tricks to grow your own social media, so go on and give us a wee follow. With that said, let's get into the video. Now, for finding your own sound for TikTok, this can be as simple as you just recording yourself on your phone, but let's say that you want to use a famous quote from a TV show or a movie.
Hasta la vista, baby.
All you have to do is go online, find that quote, copy that URL, and then I'm going to head over to VEED's converter for MP4 to MP3 conversion, just so we can isolate that sound. And don't worry, I'm going to pop a link in the description for this. So now we're on the page here, we're just going to paste that URL, click convert file, and download MP3. And you can just repeat this process here by clicking convert another file if you'd like to merge this sound with another sound. You can now record yourself lip syncing with this track. You can use any videos already stored on your camera roll, or you can go ahead and record a new video now. It's entirely up to you. And now once your videos are ready, we're going to head over to VEED. Don't worry, I will pop a link in the description for this too. Now we're in VEED, we're going to click upload a file, choose the first video, and if you need to change the size of your video to fit TikTok's format, simply head to settings and under size, scroll down here to where you see TikTok's 9:16 aspect ratio and click on it. Now we're going to head back into media in the left hand column, click upload a file and choose your next video, and then you're going to do the exact same thing to upload your audio tracks. So whichever audio that you want to play first in the video, you should upload that one first. So in this case, I'm going to choose Kim Kardashian's quote first, and then I'm going to merge it with a clip from VEED stock audio. So then I'm going to head over to audio here in the left hand column, click audio, click search, and here you can just have a listen, see what's going to work best for you. I'm actually going to pick the sound effect drums burlesque 2. I think that'll be quite funny. So you'll see when I click it now, it's going to appear below the track. I need it to actually be beside the track, so just simply click on it and drag it over next to your track. Now in the case that you want to silence your original video clips, just click on them, and then next to audio, drag that bar all the way over to 0. Now we need to trim our clips to fit the footage. So just play it. At the point that you want to make your cut, hit pause, highlight the video or audio, whichever it is that you want to trim, then click split, right click on the excess and click delete. You can now move your next clip over, and again, just repeat this process anywhere else that you want to make a cut. Now we're happy with our TikTok and our sound, we can go ahead and render and export it. So to do that, just click export in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings. I tend to opt for HD, and then just click export once more. Now it'll take a moment or two here to render. Once it's finished, watch it through once just to make sure you're happy, and then you can go ahead and click download and download MP4. So now we're going to go back into TikTok here. We're going to open up the app, we're going to click plus and then click upload in the bottom right hand corner, choose to upload the video that we've just created, then you're going to hit next, add next again, caption your video, add hashtags and click post. Now once your video's been posted, we can head back into the video. You're going to click the disc in the bottom right hand corner here, then click on that pen tool, type in whatever it is that you would like to call your video. Perfect, and hit save. And that's it. That is how you merge two sounds together. That is how you rename your sound within TikTok and how you create a video for it using VEED. I really hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, go and give us a like, subscribe for more editing content, and leave me any comments or questions down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.